Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. You're probably looking to shed some excess weight and get in better shape. Losing fat can be a challenging and frustrating process, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll be sharing 4 effective fat loss techniques that you can try at home. So, if you're ready to take control of your weight and start feeling your best, let's get started. Calorie control. In order to lose fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. One way to create a calorie deficit is by reducing your caloric intake. This can be done by making healthier food choices, such as choosing lean proteins, vegetables, and complex carbohydrates, and cutting back on processed foods and sugary drinks. It's also important to be mindful of portion sizes, as even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you're consuming too much of them. Pros: can be done at any time, no equipment needed. Can be tailored to individual needs and preferences. Can be a sustainable approach to weight loss. Cons: may require tracking food intake, which can be time-consuming. May require making changes to your diet, which can be challenging for some people. May lead to feelings of deprivation or restriction if not approached in a balanced and mindful way. The difficulty level of calorie control can vary depending on your current diet and lifestyle. If you're already eating a relatively healthy diet and are familiar with portion sizes, calorie control may not be too challenging. However, if you're used to eating a lot of processed foods or have difficulty estimating portion sizes, calorie control may be more difficult. It may also be challenging to make changes to your diet if you have a busy schedule or limited cooking skills. 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is a type of exercise that involves short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest. It can be done with a variety of exercises such as running, cycling, or body weight exercises, and it can be modified to suit your fitness level. HIIT has been shown to be particularly effective for fat loss, as it can boost your metabolism and help you burn calories more efficiently. Pros: can be done with minimal equipment or in a variety of locations. Can be time efficient, as workouts can be shorter than traditional cardio. Can boost metabolism and improve cardiovascular health. Cons: may be more intense than other forms of exercise, so it may not be suitable for everyone. May increase risk of injury if not performed properly. May require more recovery time than lower intensity exercise. The difficulty level of HIIT can also vary. If you're already in good shape and have experience with high intensity exercise, HIIT may not be too challenging. However, if you're new to exercise or have physical limitations, HIIT may be more difficult. It's important to start at a level that's appropriate for your fitness level and to gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable. 2. Strength training. In addition to burning calories through cardiovascular exercise, it's important to include strength training in your fitness routine. Strength training helps to build lean muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Strength training can also improve your body composition, helping you to look and feel stronger and more toned. Pros: can improve muscle strength and tone. Can increase resting metabolic rate. Can improve body composition. Cons: may require access to equipment or a gym membership. May increase risk of injury if not performed properly. May require more recovery time than cardio-based exercise. The difficulty level of strength training can also vary. If you're new to strength training, you may find it challenging to learn proper form and technique for the various exercises. It may also be challenging to increase the weight or intensity as you become stronger. However, with proper guidance and a gradual progression, strength training can become easier over time. 3. Meal planning. Planning out your meals in advance can help you to stay on track with your nutrition goals and ensure that you're getting the right balance of nutrients. It can also help you to avoid last-minute food choices that may not be as healthy. Meal planning can involve preparing meals and snacks in advance, or simply making a plan for what you'll eat each day. Portion control can also be an important aspect of meal planning, as it can help you to control your caloric intake and stay in a calorie deficit. Pros: can help to ensure that you're getting the right balance of nutrients. Can help you to stick to your nutrition goals. Can save time and money by reducing the need for last-minute or impulse food choices. Cons: may require extra time and effort to plan and prepare meals in advance. May not be suitable for people with dietary restrictions or allergies. May be less flexible than other approaches to nutrition. The difficulty level of strength training can also vary. If you're new to strength training, you may find it challenging to learn proper form and technique for the various exercises. It may also be challenging to increase the weight or intensity as you become stronger. However, with proper guidance and a gradual progression, strength training can become easier over time. So there you have it, 4 effective fat loss techniques that you can try at home. Remember, it's important to be consistent and patient when it comes to fat loss, as it takes time and dedication to see results. But with the right mindset and these techniques in your arsenal, you can reach your fat loss goals and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great healthy tips and tricks.